Let's take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. Severe thunderstorm threat continues mainly in the south central U.S. today, tomorrow, maybe even into Thursday, but the severe weather concerns will be diminishing a little bit. However, heavy rain and flood concerns will continue in the central U.S., especially from the Mississippi River Valley on south to the Gulf Coast states, and warm temperatures will also continue at least into the middle part of March. So for today, we have a slight risk of severe weather from Oklahoma down to the Gulf Coast states, and then that enhanced threat for the best potential of maybe some large hail damaging winds and potentially even an isolated tornado, as there will be plenty of rotation in the atmosphere for that as an upper level low kind of spins around northern Mexico, southern Texas. By Wednesday, we have a slight risk shifting a little bit farther east, and then it gets diminished here on Thursday to a marginal threat over the lower Mississippi Valley. So this particular area of low pressure is again kind of cut off from the upper levels of the atmosphere. What that's going to do is keep things kind of churned up there. This conveyor belt of very heavy moisture from the Gulf continues to lift north. You can actually see these showers and thunderstorms into Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning across the state of Texas and Oklahoma, and then eventually rolling into the lower Mississippi Valley by Wednesday night and early Thursday. Again, maybe some isolated strong to severe storms, but again, this is really going to help to bring about heavy rainfall. This is just over the next 3 days now. We're talking maybe some 6 to 10 plus inch total liquid amounts, and panning back to the west from Northern California, Western Oregon, and Washington, some pretty decent amounts there as well. Some of the high elevations here in the Rockies, Cascades, Sierra Nevada range, seeing some snowfall, but even seeing some snow down into the high elevations of Mexico with that pretty rare cutoff upper level low in that particular region. Mid-March looks still very warm in the eastern half of the country. That's where we are pretty warm here as well today, with those readings about 10 to almost 25 degrees above average, and some 70s, maybe even some 80s showing up in the south central U.S., but a little bit cooler today in Phoenix at 73, some scattered showers in San Francisco at 64.